Okay, so first we're going to learn how to solve this system of equations by graphing. Now, if I'm looking at the structure of this first system of equations, I know that the bottom equation is solved for x. So what I'm going to do is take this y plus 4 and put that into the top equation where x is. So I put 5 and then parentheses y plus 4, close the parentheses, and then over here put minus 2y and set that equal to 26. So this then would become 5y plus 20 minus 2y equals 26. So then here 5y minus 2y becomes 3y plus 20 equals 26. And then subtract 20 from both sides. And you get 3y equals 6. Divide both sides by 3. And we get y is equal to 2. Now we have y solved by itself, and I'm going to go back up here, and we have y plus 4 equals x. So that really means, well, 2 plus 4 equals x. Or I'm going to put that up here, that means 6 equals x. So we have x and we have y. X equals 6. Y equals 2. And then most of the time we'll list that as an ordered pair. So you put x first, 6, comma 2. So if we listed the solution as an ordered pair, we put 6, 2. Now this method right there was called substitution. Now I'm going to model the elimination method. So in order to model the elimination method, I need the structure of the equations to be the same. So on the top equation, I have m, and then p, and then the numbers on the right. So for this equation, I'm going to subtract 2m to the other side. So this equation right here, if I put the m first, I have negative 2m, and then plus that p, because I just have p by itself, so I put plus p, is equal to 10. And then over here, I have 2m minus 2p equals negative 6. Now, I can set this up like an equation where it adds. So 2m minus 2m, well, that makes 0. And then negative 2p plus 1p, we have negative p is equal to, well, negative 6 plus 10 is equal to positive 4. Divide both sides by negative 1. Oops, and I almost put negative 4 there. So p is equal to negative 4. And then what you do is substitute in to get your answer. So I'm going to pick this equation, and I'm going to write, well, 2m minus 2 times negative 4 equals negative 6. So you get 2m plus 8 equals negative 6. Then subtract 8 from both sides, and you would get 2m is equal to negative 14. Divide by 2, and you get m equals negative 7. So on here, I'm going to write that. We have m equals negative 7, and then p equals negative 4. And I'm going to write that as an ordered pair of mp. So negative 7, negative 4 would be my solution. So I'm going to box that in so that I can set that apart. Same thing with my solutions over here.